What is going on? My name is Kai Christopher, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. There's a few different things that I wanted to go over, but before I get into those things, I want to speak a little bit about how I got involved with entrepreneurship and different types of digital business and things of that sort. If you're brand new to this channel, I go over a bunch of different things, from traveling, vacation, and business, entrepreneurship, and all these different things that you can do. But today, what I want to focus on is ECX, right? E-commerce Academy. I want to break down what this is and how you can use this to be able to kind of shortcut the time it takes to tap into the e-commerce industry. So just a little bit about e-commerce, right? So you can have a quick idea of what that is and how that works. E-commerce is just a simple process of buying and selling products online. So you think about Walmart, Target, any of these stores you've ever been to in person, that's regular commerce, right? Retail. Now, if you look at the online version of it, Amazon, eBay, any of these companies are online, stores, that is considered e-commerce, right? The purchase of goods online or electronically, all right? Now, imagine you yourself, right, are able to have your own online store, getting customers while you sleep, running 24/7 automatically. Everything is automated, right? This is one of the things that you can actually tap into when it comes to drop shipping, Shopify, and these things. I'm gonna give you a brief overview about that, but, for example, I want you to think about this for a second. Do you have, a favorite grocery store? Right? You have thousands and thousands of items to choose from, and it's very convenient, right? It's all broken down into aisles and categories and things like that, so you can navigate and find what you need, purchase it, and go about your day, right? You're basically buying things, right, from that supermarket or that store, right? And the store keeps a small percentage of that sale, right? Same as that concept as e-commerce, drop shipping, Shopify, and things like that. Now, imagine you having your own store, right? But not having to own a single item in that store, but still be able to profit off of the items that are sold in that store, right? Now, setting this up, this process is easier than you think, right? A lot of people think that, Shopify dropshipping is a very complicated process, and this is what I love about what I'm gonna go over with you. We created a step-by-step system in this academy that helps you shortcut that, right? Because I myself, back in 2017, tried to get into Shopify and dropshipping with a few different products, but I had no idea how that worked. It did not work out, right? Because I didn't have somebody guiding me. Now, if you look at Shopify, right? Shopify.com, Shopify Platform, this is a website where you can easily list and sell items just like that, right? You can find suppliers, you can do all of that stuff and earn a profit every time somebody purchases a product on that site, okay? Now, there's no experience needed for this, okay? You don't really have to have any experience or background in any type of digital entrepreneurship or, retail or business ownership, whatever the case may be. You don't need any of that, right? You don't need any of that. Now, what we do with ECX here, right, here at this academy, is we actually allow you to get access to step-by-step, right? Videos that are gonna break down everything from setting up your store to finding products to taxes to everything like that, shipping products, shipping times, all of those things that usually, are very hard to figure out. How would you feel if somebody actually showed you directly, right, how to find what items are trending, right, how to sell the trending items, but most importantly, how to automate your store, right? A lot of people like myself, I wanna automate things, right? I wanna work smart, I want my money to work for me. I don't really want to focus on being in front of my computer all day. I want things to be automated, right? It's 2020 going into 2021. How are you going to find a way to take your money, right? Put it into something that can be automated to produce you more income, right? So obviously, welcome to the e-commerce academy. Now, what's cool about this is aside from those videos I spoke about, what you're going to have that's very, very different is that hands-on walkthrough style learning that is not, right, unstructured. You're gonna have a very structured system, and we use a platform called Go Live, right? And Go Live is a platform we use for a bunch of our other products, right? Such as, trading, binary options, Forex, cryptocurrency. We have that platform where we teach that as well. We just introduced e-commerce yesterday, right? Had a huge virtual convention. Floyd Mayweather tuned in, spoke about a lot of different investments and things that he's doing with our company as well. But e-commerce is now added to that Go Live platform. So you're gonna have access to Chris Reef Monday to Friday, right? The time will be posted on the website, but you're gonna have access to him Monday to Friday all the time, right? Now, what's cool about that is you can tune in whenever works best for you. All of those videos will be recorded as well. So even if you missed the live sessions, everything is recorded. So now on Go Live, you're gonna get access to members only weekly training calls, right? Mentored by Chris himself, right? He's gonna show you how to set up your store, find products, and everything from A to Z live, okay? Now, aside from that, this is where we kind of changed the game, okay? We actually partnered up with Shopify, and we actually have specific tools that you can use to help you shortcut a lot of these things. right? Now, aside from the live mentorship and the live hands-on learning, you now have strategies, and this is where we change the game, right? We have a bunch of different things in our partnership with Shopify that are gonna allow you, right, to get access to strategies that are gonna help you build and grow your online store, grow your sales, and things like that. This is where we really took a lot of time and thought about how we can change the game in the e-commerce space with our platform, okay? But you know, what you have access to, just like all of our other academies and products, is the Hello Center. Right, the Hello Center is basically a website where you have access to everything: your live mentorship, your academies, your strategies, your tools, your apps, all in one convenient place, one website, right? So you don't have to do all this navigating, you have everything in one place. And now what's cool about this is that one of the biggest problems for people that are running e-commerce stores, drop shipping stores, whatever the case is the lack of funding, right? The lack of capital. When it comes to running ads and things like that, this digital age, it really comes down to who has the most capital for marketing and ads, right? Who has the most money for that, which is why those people usually are, you know, the ones seeing the biggest returns, having the biggest success. Now, what we decided to do was, not only did we take trading and things like that and partner that up with, you know, network marketing, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, we're doing the same exact concept with e-commerce. Now think about this, right? There are people in your circle right now that actually have no clue how to start a business, but have great ideas of what they actually want to do in the online space. I know I was interested in Shopify and drop shipping years ago. I just had no clue how to learn it. I didn't have anyone who had success in it. And I didn't really know where to start. I had no direction, right? Now, we're allowing you to be able to leverage our system already, right? The system that we've created over the last few years has helped, you know, over 250,000 individuals in over 40 different countries. But most importantly, right? Most importantly, we've been able to help people create their own source of income from their online business by leveraging the platform we already have. So what I want you guys to think about is this. Not only do you get access to all this stuff I just spoke about for, you know, $324, you know, with a $275 a month investment to continuously get access to that, you also have the opportunity to get that monthly fee waived, but start to build a residual income based around the second side of this business, which is, right, our compensation plan. But what's cool about the 2 in 1 free program, you actually go out there and plug 2 other individuals in utilizing your referral link, just like Airbnb, just like Lyft, just like Uber, Cash App, any of these big corporations and businesses. We're gonna actually waive that monthly fee and allow you to learn everything about the e-commerce space for completely free, as long as those 2 customers are actively utilizing the platform. Now, let's say you wanna take it a step further. I've been able to impact, you know, thousands of lives all over the globe, not just with trading and Airbnb and entrepreneurship in multiple different forms, and obviously now e-commerce through this platform, but also be able to make a residual income utilizing this compensation plan, which ranges anywhere from, you know, $150 a month to $750,000 a month. Now, think about this, right? You take the opportunity to learn the skill set by yourself, now pass that information on to someone else. And in the process, gain an extra source of income by leveraging the platform, having people become students with the platform so they can get their online stores up and running as well. Now, guys, just a little bit about, you know, how I got started with this entire platform, right? I used to be a college athlete looking to take, you know, my life into a different direction. I started looking into stocks and started doing Robinhood and all this different stuff. But one thing that I realized was the digital space wasn't really tapped into, right? I was looking at a lot of the traditional ways, traditional business, you know, buying things in bulk and selling them and, you know, looking at the profit margins and things like that. Things that I did not really have any knowledge on. I really needed guidance, and I had to find people and an environment that had the structure, right? The consistency, the results, and, right, the right price point. For me, as a broke college student back in, you know, 2018, had to find something that was gonna work best for me, where I was gonna have an environment, guidance, mentorship, and things like that. You guys are coming into a place and an environment where we've created waves and waves and waves of massive success, not just in the e-commerce industry, but in Forex trading, in cryptocurrency, in binary options, and all of these different things. We partnered up with people like Floyd Mayweather, Bob Proctor, and the list goes on. And what you guys to do is, you know, take a second to tune in with me on Instagram. I look forward to dropping more content, more videos, you know, on this channel. So take a second to follow me on Instagram. It's at Kai Christopher, right? If you get the chance, you know, take a second to subscribe, you know, drop a thumbs up if you got value from this video, if you see yourself being able to tap into this space. I would appreciate it, because like I said, I look forward to dropping some more stuff. Got some big plans, big things in the works. Much love to you guys. Peace.